What's the first letter of the alphabet?
A.
And what color?
Yeah.
Red. 1, 2, 3. All right. What's the second letter?
B.
B. What color is it?
Orange.
Orange. Slide. Woo! Good job. All right, there's A and B. What's the next letter?
C.
C. What color?
No.
Yellow. Wow, that was a good slide.
Boy, the C.
A, B, C. What's after C?
D.
D. What color is D?
I. D.
Light green. That's right. 1, 2, 3, slide. Whoa.
Pizza.
Big slide.
D.
And what's the next letter? E. What color is E?
I. Blue.
Light blue. 1, 2, 3. All right. And what's after E?
F.
F. What color is F?
Purple.
Purple. What's after F?
G.
G. What color is G?
Eight. No.
Light red? Nice. All right. Down the slide. 1, 2, 3. Woo! What's after G?
H.
H. And what color is H?
Eight. Orange.
Light orange. Down the slide. All right. And what's after H?
I.
I. What color's I?
No.
Light yellow.
Oh, look at the music. Does I get I? Does I go with does I go L? L is it I?
That's right.
Oh, look at the same I'm number one. Oh, what? It's an I. That's my big.
Woo! There's I. All right. What's after I?
Gay.
And what color's J?
I get.
Light green. Down the slide. Woo! That was a good one. All right. What's after J?
K.
K. What color's K?
I know.
There's K right there.
I do.
Light blue.
Cool, I do.
A cool light blue. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, is it stuck?
I'm
You're stuck. Whoa, that was a good one. All right, what's after K?
L.
L.
L is the I.
What colors? What color is L?
I purple.
Light purple. Good job. All right. Right. What's after L?
L.
M. What color's N?
No.
Red. And down the slide.
L. And two fingers down the side.
Yeah.
I made it. Cool.
Woo! That was a good one. All right, what's after M?
L.
N. And what color's N?
O.
Orange.
Oh no.
Woo!
Oh no. up.
Hiya!
Letter A.
Put it next to him. There you go. All right, what letter's next?
O.
O, and what color is O?
No.
Yellow! And down the slide O goes. 1, 2, 3, slide! All right, that looks great, buddy. What's after O?
P.
P. What color is P?
P, of course.
Green. And down the slide. Whoa!
What P might you?
Oh, that's a good one. I like it, buddy.
I got Q.
It's a little backwards, but that's okay. What color? What is the next letter?
Q.
Q. And what color is Q? Turquoise Q.
What Q might you?
That looks good, buddy.
What?
What comes after Q? R.
Let's see.
What color is R?
I pepper.
Purple. 1, 2, 3, slide.
Ooh.
Whoa. Ouchie. Don't forget to stack. Don't forget to stack. Oh, he wants to go on top of the letters too. There you go. All right. And what's the next letter after R?
S.
S. And what color is S?
I know.
Light red.
Super size. S is for super size.
Yeah.
S is for super size.
And what's after S?
T.
T. What color is T?
Light orange.
Light orange. Oh, that was a good slide. And what letter's after T?
Ooh.
U. What color is U?
I know.
Light yellow?
It's light. But his color side is white. Light.
All right, what's after U?
B.
B. What color is B?
Light green.
Light green.
These four white.
W is the next one. What color is W?
Light
Light blue.
water.
W for water. Yeah, that's right. You're so smart, buddy.
X.
X is the next letter. That's right. And what color is X?
Light pepper.
Light purple. All right. What's after X?
No.
Y. What color's Y?
No.
Dark yellow?
No.
Oh, just yellow. Yellow. All right. What's the last letter?
C.
Z. What color is Z?
Blue.
Blue. Yay. Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, T, K, L, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and T.
Yay!
Don't mind my EBCs. Next time, watch them sing with me.
Yay! Good job, buddy! Woo-hoo! That was awesome! Good job, bud.
See the ABC stuff.
Yeah! All right.
A,
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 B,
B, C,
B, E,
D,
D.
E.
F.
And the A is
Right. A, B, C, D, E, F.
Is an egg in your bowl fast?
G,
V,
H, I. Whoa, that's pretty cool. What comes after I? J. Nice. What's after J?
K,
K. Where's that K? There it is. That's not K, that's Q, you silly. L. What's after L?
M,
M. N. N. Where's that P? Oh, there it is. The green one. There you go. Alright, what's after P?
U,
Q. What's after Q?
R,
What's after R?
S,
What's after S?
T,
After T? U.
U,
What's after U?
B,
B, that's right. What's after B?
W,
W. What's after W?
X,
What's after X?
9,
What's after Y?
C,
C. All right, choo choo.
because the alphabet A,
Alphabet train. Choo choo.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Yay!
Bye bye.
Nice sitting.
Mama.
Bye bye. Choo choo.
See.
Alphabet train. Bye bye, alphabet train. Choo choo.